And welcome back. Now, while most sporting events have been postponed or cancelled due to the COVID-19 virus, local horse racing was allowed to continue without spectators. However, there is still some uncertainty and mixed messages surrounding the present operational status of industry, and as such, the race meets scheduled for this Saturday and Sunday are now up in the air. Denise Walters reports.
The Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission (BGLC) had sent out a press release on Tuesday afternoon stating that in compliance with the Prime Minister's announcement, off-track betting parlours (OTBs) would be closed for 7 days as of Wednesday. However, the BGLC sent out a revised release today which stated a reversal of the earlier decision to close OTBs. The BGLC's chairman Clovis Metcalf characterized Tuesday's release as a misunderstanding.
Reversal of the advisory submitted yesterday by the BGLC was due to a misinterpretation of the Prime Minister's mandate, as at no time did the PM state a closure of the OTBs. One needs to understand that racing is not like any other sport, as the horses need daily care of food and water and grooming and cannot be left abandoned.
However, promoting company Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited (SVREL), going off the previous statement, had called off this weekend's race meets, and the general manager Lorna Gooden says at this time there is uncertainty surrounding whether or not those two race meets will eventually go ahead.
Based on the misrepresentation or misinterpretation which was previously communicated, is until we have engaged and met with our stakeholders, we cannot confirm the staging of races for this weekend. Bearing in mind the government's mandate on gathering, the first meeting, which is to be held tomorrow, will have a maximum of 20 invitees.
Those invitees cover the regulators, association heads for owners, breeders, trainers, jockeys and grooms. A later meeting will be scheduled with the OTB's representatives.
We have commenced the conversation with them as to the legal requirements and have made recommendations on how to safeguard their operations and the public. We certainly don't want to expose our retailers to a $1 million fine or 12 months imprisonment.
The first stakeholders meeting is set to take place at Caymanas Park Thursday morning at 10. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.